What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Just want to talk to the homeowners out there and potential home buyers out there. Be aware that if you have any type of unpaid debt, such as student loan debt especially, a lot of times it turns into a lien that can be charged against you, and any asset that you purchase, such as a home, can attach to the title. So I've seen it happen before where we're assisting a home buyer purchase a home. What'll happen is the title company, they will be made aware that there's a student loan attached to you. You can still purchase the property, but rest assured, your home is now encumbered with a student loan lien that has to be paid when you decide to sell that property or refinance against that property. So definitely be aware of those things. Tax liens are another thing that can definitely attach to you for unpaid taxes. So just wanted to give you that little bit of information. Hopefully it can help you in your home buying and selling endeavors. If you want to contact us for any real estate advice, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.